Hello, all.
Hello, Doyle.
Hi there. Any idea on Reese, Harris, or Jackson? Hi, Ashley.
They're gonna be seen
Okay, it's going to be longer day. That's fine. I got them in a list. They'll just be down at the very bottom on my way down. So that
on
means
yes. Go ahead.
I was going to say, so that gives us eight, right?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Okay. Um, just stick with the list the way I sent it.
Okay.
Everything should line up okay.
Okay.
And we'll go from there.
Will
Macias will
do.
be up first. He's not quite out yet, but we'll be ready to go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
See you in a bit.
Doyle.
Hello.
I don't see Felicia Hibbs on the list.
You don't see who?
Felicia Hibbs,
Um,
Hibbs.
Hibbs. Oh, yep. I must have
Felicia.
dropped her off when I cut
Okay.
and pasted. Hold
Okay.
on. Hold on just a second. I'll put her. We've got Reese down there as well, so that's not really that big a deal for me.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Christy Reese, correct? No,
Yeah.
no,
Felicia.
no. Felicia Hibbs. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Okay.
adding that right now. Okay, good catch.
Thank you.
You bet.
Bye.
Good afternoon, all.
Hello.
We are ready to go with Carl Messias.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
You bet.
Good afternoon. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. Looks like you received tickets back August of 6th of this year for no insurance and no seat belt. I wish for you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters, and we can set it for trial. But I'd like for you to visit with the prosecutor to determine how we're going to proceed. So if you'd ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you can speak with the prosecutor in private about this.
Okay.
So ask him to put you in a breakout.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Yes, Miss Hutton.
Your Honor, I was able to speak with Mr. Macias. I did explain the situation to him. Mr. Macias did not have insurance on August 6th of 2025. So he would plead guilty to no insurance. He does believe the city would drop the seatbelt required charge. He does believe that he may be in jail for at least the next year. He's waiting on a KDOC hold, I think he said. And so the fines, Your Honor, are something he's concerned about. And I know that we don't want to put him in a situation where I apologize, very loud. Okay.
Right.
So basically, Your Honor, we just don't want to put him in a position where he's going to be in worse trouble because he can't pay his fines when we know that he won't be able to pay his fines for some period of time, ma'am.
Right.
If that makes any sense.
Yes, it does. The only thing is I won't assess a fine, but there is a state fee that is $23.50. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it
Yeah.
is a state fee that has to
Yeah.
be assessed. You heard what the prosecutor said.
Yeah.
You wish to plead to the no insurance, the other charge would be dismissed. You don't want a trial. Is that my understanding?
Yes, I don't want the trial, no.
All right. So for the charge of no insurance, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I will accept your plea. The other charge will be dismissed. There will be no fine, but there will be that state fee. All right.
Okay.
All right. And that's $23.50. What I'll do is I will just put it in payment status.
Okay, because
So it just needs to be paid when you can pay it, or have somebody pay it for you if you can.
okay, because I'm like I said, I'm waiting on a KDOC hold. I could be in there up to a year, so
Right, right.
because I
I
got to
under,
go back and see the board, and then they'll determine whenever I'll be able to get relief. So,
gotcha,
uh,
gotcha.
uh,
But that's what we'll do in this case, all right?
okay, so whenever I do get out, I just have to come to the traffic division to get it resolved, or
No, it's been resolved. You just have to pay the 23
okay,
50.
okay,
And
yeah,
you
that's what I meant.
right, and you don't have to you can pay online, so you don't have to physically come here, but you can. It's on
Okay,
the second floor of City Hall.
okay,
All right.
okay,
But that'll resolve these matters. So once you go to KDOC, you don't have to worry about this matter.
okay. I appreciate it.
All right.
All
Okay.
right.
Did you have any questions at all?
No.
All right. Then the hearing is ended and you can give your headphones back.
Okay. Have a good day.
You also.
Bye.
And Lorena, you're gonna have to fix the because it's not $300. It's
I
20.
fixed it. I think I fixed it.
She did, yes,
Okay,
she did.
perfect. All right,
And what's
Mr.
the new,
Doyle.
what's the new date on
Uh,
him?
We're just putting it in payment status. Just leave it today's date.
Uh,
Okay,
Interrupting, if you
sure.
got my list, next to or next door, Hourstone or Leva, I'll just call them out when they show up.
Okay, sure. Sounds good.
Okay.
Judge, we still have to have a date for the jail
Put it tomorrow.
for tomorrow,
Just put
okay,
it tomorrow.
okay.
Yep.
Sorry, ma'am, that the siren was so loud for a second, I couldn't hear myself think.
Yeah, no worries.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Ourston is ready.
Okay, thank you. Hello, sir. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court, and you have a matter here that is unresolved. Looks like you received a ticket for trespassing back in March of 2024. What I've done is I have the prosecutor here to see if we can get some type of resolution to this matter, but I want you to understand if you wish to have it set for trial, we can do that. So I would like for you to speak to the prosecutor. Ms. Hutton is here. If you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to Ms. Hutton privately.
He said something about put me to yeah.
Understood.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I was able to speak to Miss Ourston. Mr. Ourston would like to plead guilty to the trespassing charge. It's a $150 fine, Your Honor, with the $23.50 court costs, with him not to return to 400 Troop Avenue. And that's, I believe, everything that the city would have.
What was the fine again? I'm sorry.
150, ma'am?
All right. Mr. Ourston, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
That you are wanting or willing to plead to the trespass charge. But do you understand by entering that plea, you're giving up your right to a trial?
What you mean?
Well, you have a right to a trial, but if by entering the plea, you're giving up your right to the trial.
I mean, I guess I mean I was guilty. I had no trespassing.
Okay. At that 400 troop, is that your understanding?
400 troop. You talking about yes yeah, like
Yeah,
the school building whatever it used to
right.
be.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. All right. So to the charge of trespass, how do you plead guilty or not guilty?
I plead guilty.
All right. I'll accept your plea. I will assess that fine of the $150. When can you pay that? I know that you're in custody on other matters.
I mean, I have a little money outside of here. I can, when I get out, I can. I mean, right now I can't. I haven't had a hard time talking to people. Period. I mean,
Gotcha. I
um,
note your case was on docket for today. Hopefully you'll get a lawyer appointed to you over there.
mhm.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll continue this to the end of November. So hopefully maybe your other matters will be resolved. All right. We'll go to November 21st. That's a Friday at 1 o'clock. If you're still in custody, we'll know. All right. But if you are out, you'll either have it all paid by then or you'll have to appear to ask for more time to pay. All right.
Okay.
All right. And if you do get out shortly, just stay away from that 400 troop. All right.
Okay. I mean, man, I need to get out. I got a lot of things going on that I could take care of that and start taking care of the other things too. I mean,
All right. Well, I understand, but I don't have any authority to deal with your other matter. I just have authority to deal with this trespass. This trespass charge will not be holding you in jail at all.
okay.
So if your other matter gets resolved, you'll be getting out. All right.
Okay. I mean, well, do you know anything about like the what's going on with the court or date? I thought it was
I,
today.
I just show that it was set for, today, on docket. That's all I know. I don't know what happened. All
Okay,
right.
because I mean, I did talk to attorney telling me that she was going that she would be there and that I wouldn't be able to be there, but to
Okay.
get a hold of her.
All right. I have no, information on that, so I'm sure she'll be in contact with you, let you know what happened today. All right.
Okay, thank
All
you.
right. That'll be the end of the hearing. You can give your headphones back to this
All
gentleman
right,
that gave them to you.
all right.
Thank you.
Mr. Leva Madrano.
All right. Hello, sir. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Um, I, I, I did not notice this before. You have an attorney, Mr. Page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hang on just a second.
I didn't know I had a court. I was waiting to hear from him about it.
Yeah. Well, what I'll do is I just noticed that he does represent you. So what I'll do is I will let him know that you're in custody. I know that you had some other matters over in district court. Did he represent you on those matters, Mr. Page?
No, it was
Some other person?
PC Penland. Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, well, I will let the Mr. Page know that you're in custody. I don't believe these charges that are in the municipal court are holding you. Let me look for sure. Yeah, I'm not showing that. What I'll do is I'm going to continue this matter and I will let your attorney know. I'm going to continue it to, it looks like your potential release date is coming up.
Next week. A
Right,
week from now.
Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll set this for October 14th at 1 o'clock and I'll let your attorney know.
All right, I'll message him and get in touch with him.
Yeah, good. That'll work. And so if you are out, you'll have to be here, okay? And that's in City Hall on the second floor.
All right,
All right.
yeah, I'll get in touch with him.
Get in touch with your lawyer so he knows, all right? But I'll send him an email also.
All right,
All
yeah, because
right.
I should be out of here next week on
Yeah,
Tuesday.
perfect. Yeah, because these aren't holding you. You should be released. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so October 14th at 1 o'clock. Stay in touch with your lawyer and we'll see you on the 14th.
All right, that works. I'll
All right,
message him
thank
when I
you.
get out of here.
Absolutely, great.
All right.
Next two are at the other end of the hallway. Thomas or Sagala, be back.
Okay, thank you.
sending a letter to the attorney to.
Yeah, go ahead and do that, but I am gonna, send
Sure.
him
Okay.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Segala is here.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Hello, sir. I'm Judge Whitman with Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a number of matters here that are unresolved. Some of them are animal charges, some are traffic charges. You have seatbelt, driver's license, no insurance. Sorry. No insurance, no registration. Possession of an animal that's not vaccinated, not neutered, not registered, a nuisance animal, and a failure to appear summons. What I've done is I have Miss Hutton here. She's with the prosecutor's office to talk to you about these charges. I wish for you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. If you'd like them set for trial, we can do that. But I'd like for you to visit with Miss Hutton to figure out how we're going to proceed. So if you'd ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you can speak to the prosecutor in private. Ask him to put you in a breakout.
Yeah.
Miss Hutton?
Your Honor, I was able to speak with he's listed as Mr. Sanchez in our system.
Yes.
The four traffic tickets, the city will drop the seatbelt required. It's $150 for guilty for the driver's license required, $300 for no insurance. The city would drop the tag violation. On the 4 animal charges, the city would drop the nuisance animal charge. Mr. Sanchez would plead guilty to the other 3 charges, which would be a $50 fine each. And the city would drop the failure to appear summons. So altogether, Mr. Sanchez should owe $600 to the city. He is concerned about how he would be able to make payments on that or what kind of time the court would be able to give him because he is currently incarcerated.
Right. Sir, it's my understanding that you're wanting to plead to some of these charges. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
By pleading to these charges that you're giving up your right to a trial in these matters. Is that still how you want to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I do know you're being held, and I do note that it looks like your sentencing is going to be on Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm assuming that you'll probably be placed on probation. Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, Your
I
Honor.
mean, we don't know what the judge is going to do over there, but that was the agreement between the parties, correct?
Yes, yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. Okay. All right. So what I'll do is I'm going to take your plea and then we're going to discuss payment and I'll pick a date for you. All right. For the charges of no driver's license, no insurance, failing to vaccinate, neuter, and register an animal, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty, Your Honor.
I'll accept your plea. All the other charges will be dismissed, and that total fines will be that $600. Now, if you do get released on Friday, then what I'll do is I'll schedule your payment 30 over 30 days. It'll be November 21st, which is a Friday. It's just before Thanksgiving, November 21st at 1 o'clock. If you have not paid it all by then, or you need some more time to pay, you can come to court and ask for more time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you can pay it online, or you can pay it here at the cashier window on the second floor of City Hall.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you have any questions at all?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Well, if you have no other questions, that'll end the hearing. Just note November 21st at 1 o'clock.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
I wish you good luck in your other matters.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Have a good one.
You too.
Tony Thomas, Judge.
Okay. Hello, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved, looks like traffic matters here. You have a driving while suspended and no tail lamps. This stems from a car stop. It looks like November 20th of 2024. What I've done is I have the prosecutor here that you can talk with on some type of resolution, but please understand that you have an absolute right to a trial if you wish to have it set for trial.
Yes.
So if you want, I'll let you talk to the prosecutor. If you could tell the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you can talk to the prosecutor in private.
And ma'am,
Okay.
are we only discussing the traffic matters today?
Only the traffic matters today, because battery and that we'll have to do it a different time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Could you set break?
Done. Gonna talk to the public. I'm sorry, to the
Your Honor, I was, oh, so sorry.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Your Honor, I was able to speak with Mr. Thomas on just the driving while suspended and the defective tail lamp. The city would drop the defective tail lamp. Mr. Thomas has agreed to plead guilty to driving while suspended. That's a $150 fine with $23.50 court costs. Mr. Thomas does believe that he has a bond that he has already paid, and so he would like to use whatever money he has in that bond to pay towards that. He had some further questions, Your Honor, for the clerk. How much would he have left? Things like that. And I apologize, ma'am, because I did not know how to answer his question.
Right. Well, let me just look. My understanding is you have other charges here.
Yes, yes.
There's a battery and a domestic battery. And usually the fines and costs, any kind of bond that you set, have paid in, stay until the cases get resolved.
Okay,
Okay?
what case get resolved?
Okay, well, you've resolved these traffic matters, but you still have a battery and a domestic battery charge. And so what's going to happen with those is I'm going to review your case to determine whether or not I can appoint counsel for you, and we will set those at another date so your lawyer can be present for a discussion about those charges. All right?
Oh, you said it's two of them?
Yeah, there's a battery. It looks like it occurred, well, you got the ticket, September 22nd of 2024. And that happened at 711 North 70th Street. And then you have one that's more recent, the domestic battery, August 21st of this year at 4725 State Avenue.
You said 711?
711 North 70th. That was back last year. Yeah. And so
711.
I don't want to talk
Okay.
about those cases other than
Okay.
I just want to make you aware.
Okay.
And I note that they are set for October 8th. In
Okay.
this court at 8:30.
Okay.
But I know that you have other matters in
Yes,
district
yes,
court. So
yes.
what I'll do is I'll review it to determine if I can appoint counsel. And if so, we'll meet probably again while you're still in custody on the other matters
Okay.
and have an attorney present for you
Okay.
here.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, does that make sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
All right, okay. So, the charge of driving while suspended, if you enter the plea on that, you're giving up your right to a trial. Is that how you want to proceed?
Yes, yes.
All right. So to the charge of driving while suspended, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Oh, guilty.
All right. I'll accept your plea. The other charge will be dismissed. And what I'll do is I'm going to continue this to November 21st for payment if at 1 o'clock. If you are still in custody, we'll know so that maybe we can tweak that date for you. All right.
Okay. Okay.
You won't get in trouble because of that because you're in custody. All right.
Okay. Okay.
As far as the other matters, if you are released, I don't know if you are or not, but
Oh,
your
okay.
court date for the other charges are October 8th at this time.
October 8th,
8th at 8:30, which is
8:30.
next Wednesday.
Okay.
Not tomorrow, but next Wednesday
Yes,
in the
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
morning.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am. Okay.
But if you're still in, we'll tweak that date for you. All
Okay.
right.
Thank you.
All right.
Mhm.
You have a good day and
Okay.
good luck on your other matters.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
All right, next two, Hibbs and Reese down in the ladies' pod. Hibbs and Reese, I'll be back.
Okay.
Whoever is messaging me from the clerk's office, which attorney rec do you want me to re-enter?
Ashley, it's me. For Thomas Tony. See, it shows voided. I don't know who did it.
I voided one because
Uh-huh.
originally it had, so I just saved it. So hopefully that will work.
Okay, let me see. I'm trying to accept it. And okay, got it. Thank you.
No problem. Sorry, thank you.
Pardon me for interrupting, Judge. Felicia Hibbs is here.
All right, thank you.
But-
Hello, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have an unresolved matter here. It happened back, looks like you received the ticket July 15th of this year for a failure to yield to an emergency vehicle. What I have is the city prosecutor is here to talk to you about this matter. I want you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial. If you want it set for trial, we can do that. But I'd like you to visit with the prosecutor to see how we're going to proceed. So if you'd ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you can talk to the prosecutor in private about it.
Can you put me in a breakout room?
Ms. Hutton? You're on mute, sorry.
Thank you, ma'am. So sorry. I was able to speak with Miss Hibbs. Miss Hibbs has requested a trial. The officer that is involved, Your Honor, is I apologize, Your Honor, I cannot find him. Wink, wink, wink.
I don't remember his first name. I know his name was Winters, though.
Mhm.
Your Honor, oh, there he is. Okay, there he is. Friday AM. Sorry, ma'am.
All right. I will set this then for November 14th at 8:30. November 14th at 8:30. Ms. Hibbs, you just need to be ready to go to trial at that time. I know that you've got some other matters across the street, and I'm in hopes that they will be resolved by then. So November 14th, if you are still in custody, we will know and we'll bring you over to have the trial. All right. If you are out, you must be in court November 14th at that 8:30 time.
Thank you.
All right. Did you have any questions?
Uh, so what does trial mean? Like, because I only asked this like uh, trial. They gonna get the video footage of like?
They'll have the video. There will
Okay,
also be officer or witnesses to testify.
okay, good.
You
That's
know,
what I want.
okay, perfect. So that trial setting, November 14th at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you have a good day.
You too.
Christy Reese, Judge, just a minute to get her down here.
All right.
Pardon me, Judge, Ms. Christy Reese.
All right, thank you.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
Ms. Reese. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. It looks like you received tickets back January 13th of, well, actually it was December 30th of 2024. That's when you received the tickets. They were filed January 13th of this year.
Mhm.
No insurance and driving while suspended. They're traffic matters, and what I have is the prosecutor here to talk to you about some type of resolution. If you do not like the offer that she's offering, we can always set it for trial. So
Okay.
if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you can speak to the prosecutor in private to hear what the offer is and if you're interested. All right?
Okay. To speak with the prosecutor.
Understand. So after
Ms. Hutton?
Your Honor, I was able to speak with Ms. Reese. Ms. Reese believes that she can in fact provide insurance for December 30th of 2024. She does not have that paperwork with her.
Okay. I don't. Okay. December 24,
December
2024.
30th of 2020.
December
Right.
30th. Okay. So December, January, 4th, March, December. Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
I was originally going to ask for a continuance, Your Honor, for her to bring that paperwork, but I'm not sure
Yeah.
now.
Well,
Because
I do note, it looks like how you're back in custody, you did receive some new charges for uh, um, pedestrian under the influence.
but I wasn't a pedestrian. I was
Right.
outside of a car.
I understand. I'm not here
Mhm.
to debate that, but you got new
Okay.
charges,
Yeah.
and those new charges have a new court date.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Right, right, right.
Okay, do you remember, I'm not gonna hold you to this, do you remember, because we don't have those charges yet in our
Mhm.
system?
Mhm.
But if you come to that court date, those new
Mhm.
tickets,
Mhm.
then we can also discuss, and you can bring any paperwork that you do have
Okay, okay,
on that, all right?
okay,
So what I'm gonna do is, obviously you have that date
okay.
for those new tickets, whatever that is.
Mhm.
But I'm gonna set these for way down the road. So
Okay.
because I also note that you've got some kind of Platte County hold.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they may come get you, and so you're gonna be in custody in Missouri.
Right, right.
So I'll set this for these charges for November 21st
Okay.
at 1 o'clock.
Okay.
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 Now, if you are out of custody, you got to be here at that time.
Mhm.
If you're out of custody and those other chart, you got to be here for that too. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, we're gonna have two different dates
For the
for
time,
municipal
yeah.
court. All
Yeah.
right.
Okay. Mhm.
And hopefully, you can get here and take care of these matters. All
Of
right.
course. Mhm.
So the paperwork, we're looking for December 30th of 2024.
Okay.
All right. The end
Yep.
of last year, basically.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
All
I
right.
got you. Thank you,
Okay.
Judge. Mhm.
All right. So I'm going to continue this to the November 21st date at 1 o'clock.
Mhm.
Hopefully you will be out of custody. If you are still in the Wyandotte County Jail, we'll know. Okay.
Okay.
But
Mhm.
if you're not, you need to be here if you're not in custody. All right.
Okay.
All right.
If I'm still in Platte County, would y'all have any?
We would not know that. We'd issue a warrant for your arrest. We don't
Uh.
have access to all that stuff.
Okay.
Okay. All right. But hopefully you'll be out. Hopefully.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Okay. All right. So if you don't have any other questions, that'll conclude the hearing.
Thank you, thank you, Judge.
All right. You have a good day and good luck with your other matters.
Thank you. You.
All right.
All right, Judge, the last two are down in a different pod, Harris and Jackson. I'll be back soon.
All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, I just need to ask Ms. Johnson something before she leaves, and then I'll be right back.
Okay, sure.
Judge and everybody, a bit of a update. Deonia Harris has bonded out.
Okay.
I don't have
all
any
right.
other details.
Yeah, that's
And
fine.
Stavon Jackson, yeah, and Stavon Jackson will be here momentarily.
Okay, sounds great.
Yeah, Lorraine, I'll try to look that up and just shoot you an email with a little more information.
You already continue, Stavon Jackson.
Yeah, it looks like to October 2nd.
Uh-huh.
Did I give him, did he
Or
give,
bond.
he was an OR?
Yes.
Uh, Your work is done almost, Ashley.
Yeah, just let him know.
Go ahead, Mr. Doyle.
Yes, ma'am.
It looks like on Stavon, is he right there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll talk to him real
Here we go.
quick.
You bet.
Mr. Jackson, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a number of matters here that are in, we have a motion to revoke was filed because you were on probation and it looks like you might have failed to report to probation. So what I've done is you will be getting out shortly, but you need to report to the court October 2nd, which is Thursday at
Okay.
1 o'clock. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you fail to appear, you'll have a warrant, you'll be back in jail, and I probably won't OR you out. Okay?
ma'am.
So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need to be here October 2nd, which is Thursday, like 2 days from now, at
Mm-hmm.
1 o'clock.
Okay.
Do you know where you're gonna be?
Yeah.
It's a city hall. It's on the second floor.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All
So
right.
don't miss it. I don't, you don't look as good as you do in regular clothes. I don't like that jumpsuit, man. It's not a
Mm-hmm.
good look on you. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. October 2nd at 1. We'll see you then. You can give your
Okay.
headphones back.
Okay.
And that's it.
I think that's
Should-
it.
That's it. Thank you. See
All right.
everybody.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Bye. Bye.